Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's very easy to make it double-sided. You can use it from this side and you can use it from this side. As you can see, it's different. You can use it like this pattern. As I told you, you can use it from both sides, from this side and from that side, and it's very easy to make. All you have to do is know is the treble. You will see as we get along how easy it is to make it. You start by making the chains. Chains you make depending how large your project is going to be. Now, you go in the third chain, 1, 2, and 3, and you make a treble. You have to make a treble in every chain that you have. So you continue making a treble or a double crochet, depending how you call it. UK they say treble, US say double crochet. And you go on all the chains that you have, making a treble or a double crochet, how you call it, as I told you. You continue all the row. The last chain, and that is the first row. That is the first row, all trebles. Now you start the second row with 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Turn the work around. Now you're going to make a treble again, but this time the treble you're going to make it from here, from here to here, like this. You pull up a stitch and you make all the row like that. You make a treble and you make it from here to here. From here to here. You put the hook from here to here. From behind, you put it from behind the treble. And you continue doing like that. Treble, if you don't know, I have a video how to make the treble. The simple treble that we're making. And the last one, here you have the chains. You go in the first chain and you make a treble in the first chain. Now the second row, we're going to work from this part. It's going to be like this. You turn the work around. You make 3 chains again, 1, 2, and 3. Now, we were doing like this. We were putting the hook like this. Now we're going to put it from here to here, from the front now. And we make a treble like this, from the front, like that. From here to here. From here to here. You continue all the row like that. Again from here to here. You find always the treble, you put it from here to here. And then the last one where we have the chains, you make one in the chains like this. And that is the second row ready. As you can see, from here it's like this. And from here, the stitch is like this. We can continue on this one. No, now. Again, we start with 3 chains. We're going to do the same 3 chains. You put the hook from here to here. You continue, as you can see, making the trebles like this from here to here. You continue like that from here to here. From here to here. And the last one, we put the chains here in the chains, and we put it like this. Now we start the next row, another 3 chains. We turn the work around like this, and this time we're going to make the hook from here to here, and we make the whole row like that from here to here, and we do a treble. We continue all the row like that, and in the end you will have this result. This from this side, this is from this side. As you can see, you can use it from this side, and you can use it also from this side. As I told you, you can use it like this too, straight like this, and you can use it from this side. As you have seen, it's not difficult to make. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.